Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your carrier supports Wi-Fi calling and that your Samsung has the latest system update. This avoids compatibility surprises. Once connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network, open Settings and search for Wi-Fi calling. This gets the feature ready. Make sure location services are allowed and your account is active with the carrier. If any option is missing, sign in to your carrier app or restart your phone before continuing. Now you enable the feature. Go to Settings, then Connections, then Wi-Fi calling and toggle it on. You'll be prompted to pick a calling preference. Select Wi-Fi preferred to use Wi-Fi when available or cellular preferred to fall back to mobile automatically. Next, confirm or enter your emergency E911 address. Carriers require this for location when dialing emergency services. Once set, make a test call to verify voice quality and handover behavior between Wi-Fi and cellular. Finish by testing. Place calls and send texts to see the Wi-Fi calling icon and confirm audio clarity. If calls cut out or revert to cellular, toggle Wi-Fi calling off and on, reboot your router and phone, or reset network settings. These steps clear registration glitches. If problems persist, such as failure to register with the carrier or emergency address errors, contact your carrier for provisioning support. Keep your phone updated, and remember strong Wi-Fi signal equals better call reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.